Are you still struggling with building your portfolio? Watch this video on how to build a portfolio using the STAR method. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Omela Okosi, the Agile Analyst. This video is about a practical example implementing the STAR method in building a portfolio. A product manager asks, in this channel we listen and we answer, so I'll be answering from a product manager's perspective. But first, let's do a quick recap on what the STAR method is. The STAR method is a framework that helps you present your portfolio in a clear, concise, and impactful manner. The S stands for situation. Situation here means what the problem is. You have to describe the challenge or problem the business is facing. Task means the objective and goals. You have to specifically describe the goal, which happens to be like the solution you're trying to provide for the business owner. Action has to do with the technicalities and tools you're using to provide solution. Action has about 5 points. As you do a research, you plan, you execute, you collaborate, and you document. And finally, R stands for result. Result simply means the outcome after you have provided the solution. What's the outcome? Was it successful or not? I'm going to be using a case study. The case study is a business owner who wants to upskill, who is struggling with managing the customer base. In your portfolio, you describe the situation. The situation here states the problem. The problem statement here is the business owner wants to upskill and he's struggling with managing the ever-growing customer base. Next, we go over to the task. My goal for this business owner is to develop a product in the form of an online fashion store where this business owner will be able to display all items available. The business owner will be able to reach customers living outside the locality. The customers will be able to track their orders and also provide a secure and seamless payment system. That's the task. The next step is the action. According to the STAR method, action should describe the tools, the technicalities, the step basically you use towards achieving the solution. Bringing it back to this case study, the research part involves the survey sent out to the customers to understand their pain points, the interviews done with the business owner to understand their expectations towards the solution. Then you move on to the planning. The planning phase, you get to prepare your PRD. I prepared my PRD, my FRD, I prepared my work breakdown structure and worked on a workflow. Moving on to execution. Execution phase is where I get to collaborate with developers, with product designers, with marketers and branding specialists. We collaborated to put up a system, and at the end of the day, the MVP was developed. The MVP contained core features, key features like a seamless user experience, an inventory management system, order tracking, and a back-end management system for the business owner. After collaboration, next is documentation. All the processes, right from the interviewing stages, the gathering of the requirements, all these processes were documented step by step. The tools I used the Jira board, I used the Miro board, Jira board for tracking the backlogs, Miro for our mind maps, and putting our ideas together when we're collaborating. All the tools I used, I stated them out clearly, and also what I did with them. So this documentation phase is really important because it gets to speak exactly what you did, so somebody reading it would know, okay, yes, this person knows exactly what they're doing and they worked on this project and this is what they achieved. Finally, the results. At the end of the day, results according to the STAR method should represent the outcome of your solution. And what's the outcome? The outcome is a functional website for the business owner to showcase their fashion products, interact with, make sales to customers living outside their locality. So this is how I would arrange my portfolio using that case study. But it doesn't end there. After arranging the portfolio in that manner that clearly showcases everything, I take it a step further. I'm going to search for business owner who are still struggling with growth. They really want to upscale, but they are still struggling with their current processes. I'm going to email this portfolio to them, and I will let them know that I've worked on ABC that is similar to the problem you're currently facing. Look at the processes, look at the results. If you want this sort of result for your business, then we can discuss over a call. And most of the time they respond because business owners, they want to upscale, they would like to hear what you have to offer. So I hope this answers the question. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.